Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Zovenci Ultrasonic Pest Repellent. This is great for like raccoons, rodents, squirrels, anything you don't want in your backyard, deer, anything that will basically eat your plants, make a mess, or might just harm your pets. You want to have this. And you might be able to hear it already, but it is setting off the ultrasonic sound. It comes out of this right here. And this light lights up red when it goes off. This is the sensor right here, infrared sensor, so it works at night, it works at all times. Here is a nice big solar panel, so you wanna make sure that this is in sunlight. It collects the sunlight and it charges up the two AA batteries that are rechargeable. They're kind of like small version of AA batteries. And I think that's just for show right there. There's a switch on the bottom, on, off, and you just simply need to switch that and then basically hammer the stake in the ground. I use this to hammer it in and you're good to go.